Alrighty. Oh, hello. Yes, come on in, take a seat. Let me get you checked in here. Do you mind confirming your first and last name? Alright, you are right on time. Thank you. And can you confirm your date of birth for me? Awesome. Alright. So it looks like you're coming in just for your 18-week prenatal appointment. Awesome. How are you feeling today? Good. How's the nausea and vomiting? Has that improved at all? Good. Yeah. Second trimester tends to be a little bit easier in that way. All right. So let me just everything here. So remind me of your height. Awesome. And then the girls put in your weight from when you were here earlier. Okay, so I of course am just going to get your blood pressure. I am going to want to collect a urine sample from you as well before Leanna the PA comes in, okay? But let me see, any changes to your medications at all right now, or just the prenatals at this point? Okay. And are you having absolutely any vaginal bleeding? Okay. And then as far as baby's movement, of course it's completely normal if you don't feel any movement right now, but are you feeling any movement at this time? Okay. All right. It is super exciting, yeah, for sure. Definitely sounds like you've been experiencing that. Any concerns for abnormal discharge at all? Okay. All right. And are you having absolutely any concerns today, or a pretty routine visit? All right, just making sure. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I am going to take your blood pressure right now. I'll start up the chart for you, and then I will let Leanna know that you're in and you're ready for her to see you for your prenatal today. So let's just get a chart going here for you. Very nice to see you. I already feel like your pregnancy is flying by. Oh, I'm glad it's not just me then. Yeah. All right. So we'll mark that as a prenatal. Let's get blood pressure on you. Of course, super important that we collect that. We'll do a temperature check, and then like I said, I'll see if I have a urine cup here, but I may just have to leave one for you outside of here, okay? For sure. All right. Let's get this going here. If you wouldn't mind flattening your feet. And I'm going to go silent here just while I listen, okay? There we go. Let's wrap this around this arm over here. There you go. All right. Take a quick listen. Blood pressure is normal today, so that's awesome. Okay, you can slide your arm out there. There you go. Let me put this back. We'll get a temperature check. And so for the 18-week prenatal visit, it'll be pretty straightforward, just some heart tones, checking in on your symptoms. Leanna will let you know if there's any follow-up ultrasounds or labs that are due in the upcoming weeks. So have that. Let's write down that there. Okay. All right. Next up is just going to be checking your temperature. This is a sublingual under the tongue, just to give you a heads up. There we go. Okay. Ready? This is just going to go underneath your tongue. Just gotta wait a little bit for that. Ooh, we're listening to Akon today. That's nice. What a throwback, am I right? Sorry. Temperature is normal, so you're all good to go there. Let me put these on the tray here. Okay. Nope. I'm about to put this away. Give me a second. So let me see. We are definitely going to need to collect a urine sample from you. Basically, we collect those urine samples not just to rule out having a urinary tract infection, but to make sure that your organs are functioning well in this pregnancy, that we don't see protein or sugars that may indicate, kidney dysfunction or diabetes, So that's kind of a little explanation there. Let me see here. Kind of leave a little drip here. Just for Leanna to put like her doctor and the lubricant situation. So kind of add an additional one there to cover up my stuff. And we'll get some gloves for her. Okay, we've got our gloves. We'll get the Doppler, which is going to help Leanna, the PA, hear baby's heartbeat. And too early right now for fundal height measurements, so probably don't need that. Yeah, so no cup in here, so I'm gonna have to grab a cup for you to leave that urine sample, and then you'll just make your way back into room 3 here, and then Leanna, the PA, will be getting heart tones on baby today and answering any questions you have, and she will let you know what the upcoming schedule looks like now that you're 18 weeks. Oh, you are so very welcome. All right, I'll give you some privacy. Hello. My name is Leanna. I'm pretty sure we've met earlier in the pregnancy, but it's nice to see you again. Alrighty, so you're about 16 weeks today. Congratulations. And just to confirm, you're having no vaginal bleeding, no discharge concerns, nothing like that. Okay, good. All right, and taking your prenatals every day. Awesome. As far as the genetic testing that you got in your first trimester, just to kind of recap, all of that came back normal, both the panorama and the horizon. It does look like you are coming up for your anatomy scan that we normally have you get done at the hospital when you're between the weeks of 18 to 22. So I am going to write in an order and script for you before I leave this room today, okay? Yep, I'm telling you, so in case I forget, you tell me, okay? So vital signs look great today. Blood pressure, urine are good. I am going to, Lee, the MA, brought your urine sample here. I'm just going to put some gloves on and dip it at the end as well, just to make sure everything is clear there and that I don't see any protein or glucose. Of course, we'll get heart tones on baby. I heard we're maybe starting to feel some flutters. Super exciting, so happy for you. All right, so as far as all of your testing thus far, we've been good to go. taking your prenatals. Rather uncomplicated pregnancy thus far, which is beautiful. So whatever you are doing, Mama, you keep doing because you're doing great. So let me put this to the side here. And then I'm just going to put on some gloves. And we are going to take a listen up, baby. Just make sure the heart tones are normal. And we'll kind of take it from there. Of course, you just let me know if you have any questions. Sorry if my hands are cold. Apologizing in advance. So if you could just lift your shirt a little bit here. And then I am just going to line your pants with these paper towels. Just to make sure that the lubricant jelly doesn't get on them. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. This jelly should feel warm. It wasn't warmer. So let me just. There you go. And then let's go ahead and get those heart tones. A lot of blueprint pressure here. Sometimes it takes a little bit to find baby's heartbeat because it could be yours. Our heartbeat tends to run much slower than baby's. That's how we can tell the difference. Just look in here. Definitely takes a little bit of time. Play a little hide and seek. I think we found baby's heartbeat. Heart tones thus far are looking completely normal, averaging in the 160s. Baby's heart tones can be anywhere between usually like 120s to upper 160s, 170s. That's kind of like the standard normal range, give or take. So every time you come in, we might be telling you a different number, and that's completely fine. All right, I am very happy with those heart tones. You were able to hear them pretty well, right? Good. All right, let me remove this from here. And then I am just going to want to wipe you off. So give me 1 second. Just wipe all of that lubricant off of you. So heart tones look great. I'm just going to press on your abdomen for a second here. There you go. Good, good. Alright, so let me see. The next thing I want to check is that urine sample. So if you could just confirm first, last name, date of birth. Alright. Let's test this. We're just going to give that a second to load here. I will let you know if it's showing anything. Again, we're looking for signs of infection, sugar, protein in the urine. So give that a little bit to kind of do its work. Let's see. And it looks like it's completely negative, so no signs of infection at all. Let me throw this away. Alrighty, so we are all good to go there. Let me write you that script for your mom's hand. Let's see. I think I'm all on with my gloves. You can cover up now if you'd like to. All right, so we are going to write you an order to go and get your anatomy scan done between the weeks of 18 to 22. They will fit you in whenever there's an opening when you're around that time. And then you'll go to the hospital right down the road from here. And this is just for routine anatomy, no current concerns. I'm gonna just sign it with my name. I'm gonna leave this on the tray right next to you here for you to take, and the girls can scan it in at checkout, okay? Absolutely, no problem. Let's see here. Let me just put some sanitizer. So you'll have your anatomy scan. The next time we are going to see you, it'll be in exactly 1 month and 4 weeks. So by the time that you come in next, we will be reviewing your anatomy scan together. And we will let you know, of course, at that visit what you can anticipate in the future. By your next visit, aside from reviewing the anatomy scan, you're not going to be due for any blood tests or anything like that at that time, okay? All right, do you have absolutely any questions? You're good to go. All right, well, I'll give you some privacy. Don't forget your anatomy scan script, and then the girls will see you at checkout. I'll see you later.